If you wanna add event to calendar in your Alcatel One X 2019, for the first we have to click here and enter the calendar. Click two times on this arrow and click on I got it. And right now we have to click on this marker, choose the type of the event. I will go for the simple event and type here the name of our event, and also we can adjust here any other options, and that's it. Click on the save to confirm the whole process, and our event is right here. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.